a moment or two. Yeah, we're on air and we're pairing on tidying up the feature flags in local support. So what's going on? Oh yeah, just want to make my font big, since that's the bigger screen. Right. Now, what I changed here was, actually I'll do just show the diff. No, it's easier to describe it. I added this, and I
Okay,
took
yeah.
out, there was an @JavaScript directive here,
Okay, yeah, that's why.
but it runs without it, so I took it away, and now it runs in
Okay.
100th per second. That's quite good.
Okay.
So I guess I just need to run all of them, and let's see.
While that is running, can you give me control for a moment?
For what?
Over the terminal, actually.
Yeah.
Okay. Finish typing that and then.
Yeah, that's no JavaScript. Right, over the terminal, right. Yeah.
Alright.
Why are you taking away my Zeus?
Since it's not working, I just wanted to install another version that was working.
Oh, it is working. It just doesn't run Cucumber.
Yeah, I'll install another version that
Yeah.
does work.
Yeah, it still doesn't work.
Okay, like okay, hold
I
on. I'll
already
just
tried that. Yeah. That's why I wanted to know what you were doing and save you some time.
okay, that's alright.
Yeah, no,
Because
I
like
rolled
I
back
have
to
a
the Rev Zeus
I
0.13 and it still didn't work.
okay, hold on. I'll just mute myself. Okay, let's. You can continue.
Oh, okay. Right. Well, there's nothing to do yet while this cucumber is running, unless it's finished. Why is all this green? Oh, green, that's good. Right, I think I can commit then. Oh no, what's going on?
It seems like you haven't saved the file.
Yeah, that's not good. I think I might have just edited it accidentally.
Yeah.
To visit the buffer, Control R. Right. Trying to find.
You might just want to run the RSpec as well once you fix the cucumber.
Oh, I made a change here, right. Better test that again then. Might want to run RSpec, but yeah, I'm pretty sure we haven't changed anything in RSpec.
And just as a safety.
Yeah.
Yes, so like I have this version of Juice in website 1 which is like 0.13.4.32. Like that seemed to work fine with my local support installation as well.
Mm-hmm.
So I just wanted to try that on yours.
Yeah. Gem Zeus versions, or it might be the other way around.
No, it's like it's gem list grep Zeus.
Gem. Oh yeah, but this gem list. Zeus, I think is enough. Yeah, 0.15.1. But I can
Yeah,
do
so
gem install
Zeus.
Zeus 0. Uh,
No, hold on.
I've got the
Same
other
way.
version. I've got the other version in my gem file in the gems anyway. Okay, Zeus. Yeah. So
Okay, so you seem to have like the whole repository with you.
well, yeah, I downloaded the repository. I haven't installed it from there. I just installed it with the regular gem install.
Okay, so hold on. Do this gem install. Uh-oh, it's 7th.
I'm scrolling back just to see which version I got. 15.1, 13.3. So if I do gem install
Zeus.
Zeus
Hold on. Stop right there.
0.13.3, what's my
No, not that.
right? Go on.
The, yeah. Although I'm not sure if which version would be used, like this version
No,
or the previous one.
it's easy to find out. It tells you its version number and its launch page.
Okay, yeah.
Its launch whatever you call it, output. Right. Can I jump over to Emacs and see how that is doing? And command not pound. Oh, what have I done? Oh, sorry, you've just right. It's passed. Yep. Yeah, we just pasted a command in there. So that's all right. So you wanted to run RSpec just in case.
Yeah, just in
Don't
case.
know if it'll
Uh,
run
Not work, I guess.
while it's not installed. Oh, it's not even started, is it?
No, it started,
P0.
but there was an
Yeah, it
exit.
didn't start. It didn't start this time. Oh, I know why that didn't start. Can't find the can't find Rails.
There you go.
Yeah.
Okay, so hold on. VM gem set list. Okay, so that was installed in the global namespace. That's bad. So I have to reinstall that in the local spot. Okay, you may do it now. I don't know how to navigate in this, so
Yeah.
yeah.
It's Alt P, but yeah, there's
Oh,
no point learning it.
yeah, since I'll be using Vim and not Emacs. I don't think like I think Zeus has more impact on Cucumber than on RSpec.
Okay. Well, when I got it to run with Zeus 15, it was having no impact at all.
Yeah.
But it's really fast and it really helps on RSpec. Saves 10 seconds a run.
Let's
Uh,
have a look at the installation tray. There you go. So if I do Zeus dash v now,
it's giving you a man page.
v. Okay, it's of no use. I will just have to start it manually maybe. 0
Let's
D0
stop the other one. Yeah.
B2, yeah,
Yeah, go
B0.
to console 0 and stop it. Yeah.
It's
Yeah,
still on
we're
the
still
old
running
version.
15.1.
Yeah, I'll just uninstall that source and then oh,
Um.
interesting.
Oh,
Uh,
it's in the global namespace 15.1. Do you want
gem
to?
set list.
I thought the
I
local would
run
override the
gem
global.
set use global. Then up. Why?
Yeah.
Now RVM gem set use. I can't go with that. Now source start. There you go.
Did we kill RSpec by mistake? So we go over
No,
to it.
it had finished actually.
Oh, I had finished. Good. Right.
Yeah. So you can just commit this now.
Right.
Then we can just do some removing after that.
Right. Add navbar feature.
Yeah, seems alright.
Where's yeah? We'll just see what's happened here. Right. Okay. Yeah, we just added that. Right. Right. So commit. Yes.
Yeah, one good practice you'd have is like you just go through what all the changes are before you commit.
Mm-hmm.
Here I just committed because I'm confident that whatever changes I've made are correct. So
Yeah,
I don't know if
especially
that's a
if I
good
made
sign
them
or not.
if I made them yesterday. So if I do that, I can see all the changes for the diff. I don't know what's that like on a black background. It's probably better than on it is on a white background.
Oh, it's wonderful here. Just I'm missing my Vim colors and all that, but it's perfect now
Oh
here.
yeah, yeah. Right.
It's
Following
like
feature flags exist, and the following feature flags exist, and change given to and took away
again.
JavaScript.
Why was there a JavaScript? Just try removing that.
I've already removed it there. Look,
Okay, yeah, that's a minus. That's alright.
it's a minus. Yes, it's
It's kind
okay. Go to the commit. Where's my
of
commit? Where's my commit
wait.
message gone?
It's widget committed.
Oh, I haven't staged these. Yeah, that's it. Let's see. Um,
Fixing cucumber features.
hmm. Yeah, we're going to do it as imperative. Fix cucumber q
Features
to support
default as false.
disabled uh, default disabled default picture flag. That's less than 50 columns, isn't it?
Yep.
Right. I'll push it to. It's done. Yeah. Right. Okay. Let's start changing around what we wanted to do.
Okay, before we do that,
Let's. Yeah. I get my
Zeus
stopwatch. You run cucumber.
cucumber time Zeus cucumber. You don't need that. Unix has. It's
I didn't know it could do that. I thought I'd have to write my own little script.
yeah,
That
it
was
is
really
good.
good, quick at starting. I wonder
Yeah.
what they've done differently that I couldn't install Cucumber properly in 15 because they've removed it. Removed it deliberately. No, no, we
Oh,
can't run it like this. Let's kill it.
oh,
Dare,
okay. Yeah,
I kill it?
we need XVFB run, right?
Yeah. Well, you go ahead and do it then.
Yeah, I'll do that. So let's see. Did time work? Yeah, so time works. So
So we want.
time. It
You
was.
want to do DB test prepare first?
It's already prepared.
Oh, okay. I thought killing it in the middle of a.
Oh yeah, we need to do that, right? Yeah, this isn't. Okay, now Zeus egg DB test prepare. Like I've seen that like in Rails 3. When I was doing with Rails 3, I always used to do Rails DB test prepare, and now that I've switched to Rails 4.1 on website 1, and like I always forget to. I no, there's no need to do that. Then on
Oh,
other
that's good.
projects on Rails 3, I just like when I work on other projects, I just forget to do that for some reason. I'm gonna
Right.
do that again.
Yeah.
Okay, let's see this. So the Unix stopwatch.
Okay. I'll
Although,
use my stopwatch to time the boot up time then. There we go. That booted in 10 seconds. So
okay, good
that's
enough. I
half the time that it takes without Zeus, which is pretty good. And the run speed
okay.
should be the same.
Now I think it might be fast. Although I think we can make it faster by removing the text by just keeping. Okay,
Yeah.
it still cannot connect to the server.
Oh, not good. Right.
Can you just figure that out?
Yeah, well, yeah, okay. I think it's the A flag, so let's see. Test. That should be really quick. With Zeus, yes it is. If we run with the A flag, just in case there's an XVFB server running already, and this checks a new socket. It's still having trouble.
Try
Oh,
without Zeus.
yeah, I know what the trouble is. We're running the XVFB run wrongly. Let me show you. We need to run it here as the parent.
Okay, yeah, yeah, right. That's right. Because Zeus
Let's
uses
wait till it
child
opens the
process.
screen.
CI. While you do that, I'll just use this cool trick. I don't remember where it is. LS. See features. LS. CTM. LS. Right.
Okay, that's gone green. Uh, okay. Yeah, the JavaScript ones are running now.
Okay, cool. Now it's Travis. Closed. You can count down. Closed. Fixes. 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 Huh. Pull request names on website one. Like there were four consecutive pull requests, which were
Hmm.
named fixes. Just fixes.
Oh yeah.
So.
Are they
Uh,
different? Are they different commits?
Yeah, they are completely different pull
Branches?
requests, but then yeah, it's just named F progress. Okay, so let's try this one
Is
thing.
there a button for Brian to rename them, or
Uh,
does he
no,
have to wait for
it's
the
already
requester to rename it?
it's already merged, so
All right, it's done.
yeah. I'll just try one thing after the cucumber finishes, which
Yeah. The
seems
commit history is
interesting.
more important than the pull request history, anyway.
Yeah. How powerful is the machine we are running it on?
Um, it's fairly small.
Oh,
Let's
so the
see.
cucumber takes around 134 and the real thing takes around 142. So boot time is 8 seconds.
Hmm.
Okay, that's good enough. Let me just try this.
I don't think we've got the whole of that because it's a QEMU VM.
I'm just trying this thing which should be making things faster. Uh, Although no, that doesn't work. So never mind. Yeah. So
It didn't
continue.
run
Let's see what.
everything.
No, I didn't allow it to. I thought like it would not print out all of the text, but it did. So I just removed it.
Ah, right. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Do you want to drive the next bit?
Yeah. What are we supposed to do?
We're supposed to split out the feature flag into two feature flags. One for the button on the home page, or in the application layout, and the other for the button at the bottom of the um, at the organization show page.
Okay. So we would like to we would want to extract that out of from the list volunteer opportunities and the create volunteer opportunities feature.
Hmm.
Okay. Yeah. So give me a minute. I'll just do something here on my side and then I'll git pull decorking volunteer flag and teammate and then I'll just do b3 and just give me 1 minute.
Hmm. Um,
Did you push to your origin?
yes.
Okay,
Does
there
it
you
not show
go.
up?
You can connect to that maybe from here as well. Like
Oh, okay.
I just want to keep my layout. Like it's a bit hard working with your Vim.
Yes, it's
So
slow. Yeah.
I just it's a bit laggy, so things can go here and there. That's why I just
Yeah. Yeah, it's fast for me, but it's in my country. The server's in London, so it's not very far away from me. Let's see.
try to optimize a few things. How does the color scheme look for you when I open up Vim?
Two mates are connected. I don't see Vim being open.
You haven't connected yet?
Oh, I've connected to the wrong one. I connected to my own again. Ah, that'd be great. I wonder what chat. Oh, where did you post the link? In Slack?
It's in your teammate session.
Oh, in the teammate session. Huh. Oh, I see it. All right. I thought that was just something I typed. Oh,
Although you can
don't.
just
Oh, yeah.
I'll just disconnect.
Yeah. Right. I'll just copy paste that then into a new. That's the right one, right?
Oh my god, why is this internet?
Is this your Amazon or is this a local machine?
Oh, it's a local machine.
Mm-hmm.
I'm just trying to pull here. Okay, there, never mind. So what we're trying to do here is this R feature. See, no, we don't have that. Never mind. VV. This is list.
Other one.
Yeah, there you go. I'll just start up Zeus. Yeah. So what we want is like you would want no, I opened the wrong one maybe. Disable.
Mm-hmm.
So you want these
Sam doesn't. Go
so
on.
you want these scenarios into their own files, or do you want these scenarios into the existing feature files like the create volunteer opportunities and the list volunteer opportunities?
I don't really mind where they are. Sam suggested they move into the existing files.
Okay, then that's all
Does
right.
that make
I
sense?
like yeah, I'll do that. So I am on which file at the moment? Okay, so let's move the create ones first. So this goes in here. That's done. So I'll just have to make sure. Yeah, that's so this should work. I run this as Zeus
Yeah.
cucumber. What? Okay. So
Yeah.
I'll have to suffer the pains of auto loading. Oh, in the background, I'll just install my latest version of Juice. There. Now why are they failing? Given that the volunteer ops flag is enabled and I'm signed in as a charity worker related to. Okay, I have the wrong maybe. I have the wrong.
I think we maybe need to move it. Yeah. I was going to say we might need to remove the database, move the fixture over from one file to the other. Maybe not.
Yeah, we can just use the old ones. Take your time.
Is this VirtualBox?
No, this is a dual boot
Dual boot.
Ubuntu. Yeah, very good specs. So that's why it doesn't
Yeah.
take so much time in auto loading.
Yeah.
That's taken out, and now the next one is the features volunteer ops list. So then this all will go. The nav bar will go to the admin nav bar. Then
The nav bar is already in the list, so the nav bar can go to the list too. It's not the admin nav bar.
okay, yeah, that's right.
It's
Sure.
for the regular.
Yeah, I can put that there as well. G and equal to so okay. Yeah, this should probably fail. Yeah, this will pass actually. There you go. So put Zeus. What? So that was
Oh, why is the dash B in that command?
version.
Yeah. I'm not sure it needs it. Oh,
Let me have a look. Gem help install. So you see around
oh my, frozen. Right.
yeah. So yeah, I don't know if you can see my screen here or not,
Yeah, it
but
worked for me. Yeah, I
there
can
it
see
is.
the
Like
screen. Yeah. Yeah, version. Yeah, so it should work. Yeah, it's exactly the command you run on my machine. As far as I can
so
tell,
that
I can paste it over from one terminal to the other, and we can see make it
mm,
make sure it's
I guess
identical, just in case there's a Control Shift C.
I- I'll just run it again. But yeah, it's working now, so never mind. It's
Oh,
probably some other issue.
maybe it just lost its internet connection for one moment.
Yeah. So I can just remove this feature now. Control. Wait, where's nursery? Nursery. So let's have a look at it now. So everything's nicely organized. So I can just remove this. M
Yeah,
D Y. Yeah. So that's gone. And no, that's not there. So I think we've done that now. Do you want to just run all the aspects again, or the cucumber maybe? Just run the
Right,
Aspect.
no, we can just run those features because the features don't depend on each other. I'm really confident about that.
Yeah.
So
Three.
just run the 2 features in that folder.
Volunteer opportunities, and then control the two.
You didn't. Oh, you didn't run Zeus as a pre, but it still booted up quickly. That's
Yeah, that's what. So let's run it here. There'll be
okay.
lots of problems.
Right,
Let's
that
time
looks
the.
like
I'm just timing the boot up time. Hold on. One, two,
that's not. Oh, okay.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, 15 seconds. Now what about Zeus? Zeus. 1, 2, 3. Okay, 3 seconds.
Mhm.
Interesting. Although there was one failure. So
Mhm.
email has already been taken.
Oh, it's probably because we didn't run DB test prepare.
Yeah.
Our rake task runs it automatically, but if we're running Zeus, we don't run the rake task because we lose all the benefits of Zeus by running rake.
Although we could just do Zeus rake spec, like Zeus rake cucumber.
Yeah, time that. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19,
Failure.
19 seconds.
With a failure.
Yeah,
Okay, never
that's
mind. So
it.
that works. I can just commit that. Add a git commit dash m.
I thought we had a problem with the email address when
No,
we
we
ran
didn't
it.
have it. Everything is passing actually.
Oh, I thought it said email address already taken.
Let me. I'll just go up. There you go. Everything's passing here.
Okay, good.
So git commit.
If you write it as a command, like you're telling me to do something, that's the official way to write a commit message. So we say separate,
Yeah.
drop the S.
Okay. Right. Spirit the
We'd
spirit.
actually combine them, isn't it? Combine the volunteer ops into feature flag features. The feature flag features.
Synopsis. Volunteer ops feature files. Features into different feature files. The different types scenarios. Okay, so the next thing then will be, what should be the next thing then?
Or shall I pull it over? My suggestion is if we just look at the, oh, it's Agile Ventures, local support goals. Forgetting which pull request number we're working on. This one, 47. I don't. It's here we go.
Oh shit! I muted you by mistake. Please unmute yourself again. I was trying to click on your avatar, but I clicked on the mute button.
Hmm? Right,
Sorry.
that's all right. Right, where am I? Wrong. Right. Okay. Here it's this one. I think you should work on this one next. I think what would be better would be two feature flags. One to indicate that the volunteer ops navigation is visible to the public, and another to indicate that individual organization admins can create volunteer features. So I'll pull that code down and
I
how we
mean,
get on.
it seems like that would make things more complex. I mean, why is it necessary that we have that? I mean, I understand the argument that like the organizations can try out the volunteer feature without it being
Hmm.
shown to the public, but I mean, it doesn't seem right to like. I mean, is that what the client wants, or is it just something we are doing?
Um, no, that was what Sam said. Sam explained that was. Do you remember when Sam commented out the code? That's
Yeah.
the code in production. Sam explained to the client that he's commented out the code for the button at the top of the application. Um, I don't know. I don't know if this is even running. It is. Oh, it's not the latest version of the code.
I mean, we
Um,
could do that, but we it would require like major changes to everything we like did before. So like we would have to remove this from the config routes here,
yes, we would.
and then
That's that.
then we'll go to the application controllers and then have a before filter
Hmm.
to maybe that would make things better. Like it would
Hmm.
make our way of doing things better. Like we could just have a service that checks all the volunteer feature flags. Like here we could just have a before action to do before filter or before action to do something like check volunteer flags, and then we could just go over, or we could just get the current path or the current
Hmm.
controller name, and then make sure if or the current path, and check if there was any volunteer I mean feature flags in the database for that, and if it did exist, then we would check if it was enabled or not, or we would just check if it was active or not, and according to that we would allow the access or just disable it.
Hmm. We could do that, or we could. I don't know if we should bring Sam in here. We could do what we were talking about yesterday, and that is, where's it? It's in here. Um, feature toggle here, Martin Fowler's article, where he's suggesting that all you do is switch on and off the button or the link. Yeah, all he's doing is switching off in the HTML. This is JSP, but it's the same thing for
Yeah, that's all right,
ERB.
but the thing is, if you switch off it in the HTML, then you still leave possibilities for it to be accessed by our
Hmm.
path. Like
Well,
let's you just 1 minute, 1 minute. Hold, just yes. So let's say you just comment out the button or just don't allow it to be shown. Then you're like people can always access it by the path, right? Like
yes.
just going to slash volunteer ops slash new. We aren't blocking
Hmm.
that out.
Well, volunteer ops slash new. Yeah, that's right. So we're
So
not blocking
that
that
again,
out. This is what Martin's suggesting here on this paragraph here. Don't try to protect every code path, just the entry points that would lead users there. Um, and the reason that I think that's okay is that we trust the code. The code works. So if people go and create volunteer opportunities, that is not bad for anybody. That doesn't harm our application. It won't crash our system machine.
okay,
Our
that
service
seems,
will keep running.
yeah, that seems reasonable. Okay, then so let's just I guess if we do that, then we can just remove a lot of our existing features and that. So
Yeah.
let's see, features, and then volunteer opportunities, create volunteer opportunities. Yeah. So
Hmm.
yeah, so we don't need to change any of this here. That seems all right. List volunteer opportunities. This, no, this isn't required. This isn't required again. So this is all right to have. No, I'll just do that now. Top nav bar has links. Yeah, that's perfect. Okay, so this seems reasonable. That's done. Now the specs for routing. Specs. We don't have anything in the controllers. Routing, right? Yeah, so volunteer ops routing spec. Okay, so
Yeah.
this is needs to be removed completely, maybe.
Yes, I
I
think
guess,
so.
although we could just keep these, yeah.
I think we
Uh,
should do that as a separate commit. We should work on the features and then. Oh yeah, yeah. We will have to do it as part of the same commit, or the features will fail. Yeah,
no, this is alright. TD,
you're right.
then describe routing. TD. No, this isn't required. Ah, TD. Okay, there you go. So that's sorted.
Okay,
I think
so
those were the only specs we had. Other than that, requests, anything here? Nope, nothing much here. This
no.
is was fixed.
Yeah, we can
And
always do a global search through the whole thing for that string, which is
yeah, I think everything's
alright.
tested. Now, the other change we'll need to make here is in config routes and then the dollar, and then that's done.
All right, you want to run our spec then? See how we are.
Okay, I just shut down my game. Shit. Okay, then quit. Aspect.
If this passes, should we just commit the changes so far and then start working
Mm,
on the
I mean, just
features?
features are already fixed, so I'll just need to run this and they would pass. I
Oh,
mean,
okay.
like the existing features were all we needed. We just had to remove that 404
No,
thing. That is, when we go to that path, it should
we
give us a
forgot Zeus.
404. Ah, no, I don't want 20-second boot time. Like, I mean, there are so many good things we'll get when we upgrade to Rails 4 on local support.
It's not very expensive to do.
No, it's very easy. We just have to change, and we have very few models. So, unlike website one, so it's a very easy overhaul. Okay, that's fixed. Everything's done here. I
Hang
will
on. Why
move.
is the? Oh, yes, it's untracked file now. Yes. So
Wait, what?
can you get RM that file? Oh, it's already done. Get RM. For some reason, it's still in your on your disk.
Okay, let's have a look at that. Get features
There, it
volunteer.
says a new file. You don't want that.
Okay.
You want to get RM that again.
Get yeah, features volunteers. Yes, I think I did this. Okay, I
You need to force it now, I think. You did it with Nerdtree, but for some reason
yeah.
Nerdtree didn't do it correctly.
Okay, that's alright. Git add dot now gs. Okay, that's alright. Gd stage seems perfect. Okay. Okay, so it was committed in the previous one. No, it wasn't. Okay. Alright, that's done. Now git commit remove the routing constraint for volunteer ops feature flag and just keep the feature flag for links in the view. That's done. Okay, yeah, and then the other thing that I think we need to modify is in the views again, layout snap bar.
Yeah. Shall I drive for this bit?
Okay, yeah, sure. Okay, git push. Hold on, git push origin. What? Okay, origin and then volunteer flag. Get one, get two, get three, D, get one, get two, get C, two.
Oh, just a moment. I have a phone call coming.
Okay.
It was probably an automated call. They hung up straight away.
Okay, so do you mind opening up a new teammate session or because my screen share isn't working for some reason?
Yeah. Yeah. The other teammate is still alive.
Okay,
Do you
okay,
need
okay,
have
yeah.
you got the link for it?
I have the link, but I opened like there are so many teammate sessions in in my history, so I opened up the wrong
Okay.
one.
I'll send you it again.
I have it. I'm in.
Oh, you have it. Yeah. Okay.
Oh, flag.
That's great. Now, you were saying we need to do something in the views. What were you kind of
Yeah, I'll
suggest?
do that. 1 minute. So the thing is, if you open up the create and list volunteer opportunities file,
Mm-hmm.
there's a few
Oh
changes I
yes, I
need
just
to.
read.
Yeah, in that case, I'll just.
Right. So look up the the disable
No,
the
no.
which which file would you like me to open?
Create and list volunteer opportunities.
Oh yeah,
The few changes I want you to make there.
yeah.
Okay, so scroll up to the top,
Mm-hmm.
where it's line number 22. Change that to volunteer ops underscore create.
Ah, I got you. Yes, so we need to start creating new flags. Yes. Yeah. Now I need better support for Cucumber in right.
No, 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 no,
Volunteer
no.
ops.
That's all. That's all. That's all.
That's all we
It's
need, isn't it?
it's just the create file. It's not the list file.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So scroll down to the bottom now. Yeah, there you go. Just change
Okay.
that to create and create.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Now the list file. Save that.
Yeah, I'll just run that while we've uh,
Hello.
right. Yeah, I'm just gonna run it.
Yeah. This one. Yeah, same thing here, just it will be list, volunteer ops list.
Mm-hmm.
Spacing. Wrong spacing.
Oh, thanks. Top navbar has links to volunteer opportunities.
List.
Yeah. Just reading it first.
Okay, so that's done, and now we just need to change it in the views.
Right. So these should both fail now. I hope these are
No,
both
they.
failing.
Yeah, they both should be failing. Let's go to the fourth page. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, run that again.
Yeah. And run
All
list.
of them. Yeah, same thing.
Yeah. So those two failed. Can create a volunteer opportunity. I can't see it on this background. Let's see. Let's go back to
Good.
the
Yeah,
original
so that's all
photo.
right. That's perfect.
Oh,
Now let's go back to.
I just want to just read the messages because you're faster reader than me, I'm afraid. Right. Okay, so these two expected to find a link, create a volunteer opportunity, but it didn't show up. And what's the other one that failed? Oh yeah, can create see a button enabled. There's are there duplicate tests in here?
No,
No,
they
there's
aren't
not.
duplicate.
They're not because one is features enabled and one is as in any case. Although it is repetitive. Let's read it. Um,
Yeah, let's have a look at that then. Although we might just fix the feature, but still, yeah. So this one doesn't seem bad to me. Like it says, top navbar links to volunteers and organizations are hidden when features is disabled, and
mm,
top navbar has links to volunteer and organizations when feature is enabled. So that seems perfect. I
yeah, but it does repeat what we've got at line 20, which is you make it true and then you have the link.
Okay, then you can just remove that, and we can
So
have
I can
those
just
at the
remove the lap.
bottom.
I can one.
Huh?
Boom. Go on, do you see? I'm
Okay, yeah,
saying that
that's all
this
right.
one at line 50 is the same as the one we have at the very first scenario.
Although what I'm saying is you could just we want to make like it would be better if you would if you would remove the first one like 20 to 26 because
Yes.
instead of the
Well,
last one
yeah.
because
And I could even put this. Oh,
no
when
that
it
keep that
exists.
as it is and
Yeah,
then
can I just check what this step is here? Control X. Um, 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 volunteer up steps, I think. Right. Given that the flag is enabled, given that the feature exists, you create the flag and then you activate it. Um, feature flags table, each to feature flag, create. Now, feature flags table hashes. So what is this doing with the two? True. It's just I'm just wondering if it should be true or false to have a proper test here. What's going on? or we should just roll this creation into the last bit of the test.
I mean, what I'm saying is like, you could either delete the first test and then keep the last two, because we have last two like check two different the two different parts that we can have with the volunteer opportunities, right?
Mm-hmm.
Or
What
you could
what
just
I have
do
is.
it like this, but the problem with this is that the other test will fail.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, well, I could do that, and then I could just try this out by putting this step, combining these two steps in the step definitions, because we don't need separate ones anymore. I don't think. I
Well,
mean, I
just undo.
think
Hold on. Go back to that file.
not for this file anyway.
Yeah, just undo to the undo. Like undo to the original one. How do you
What's
undo
the
an
old?
Emacs?
Oh, Control Shift underscore. But what do you want me to do, undo? I just pasted here. You may want to paste that in there, but only just to explain what I was talking about. If I go
Yeah,
to the
that's what I.
steps.
No, what I'm saying is, yeah, I understand what the steps are doing. I mean, what I'm saying is, you could just have like at the top, like given that the following features flag exist, and then like volunteer opportunities list, and then that is set to true, and then at the bottom you could either you could remove that part where it's tests the true thing, or you could just remove the top step. I mean, both could work, but I think, I mean, yeah, that does not really make sense when you have that step in the background. But
Yeah, I don't think it's a condition for all of them. So what I'm thinking is I can just do that, do the creation here. Will yeah, of course it will. Yeah, unless you were, and then just I'll comment this out. Sorry, I'll just leave that commented out for now. But I'm saying we just delete that and we go. And if I'm going wrong here, we can just go back to head here. But we can delete that. We won't need this. And we create the flag and it's disabled. We create the flag and it's enabled. We're not testing that the flag doesn't exist.
we don't need to test that because we're testing that in the model,
We're testing it in the model. Yeah.
and we shouldn't be testing backend logic in the cucumber. Like I mean we could.
No, we
So
shouldn't. So I think this will run.
although, yeah, just hold on, that won't run. Don't
Oh,
do
go on,
that.
why? Where's that going? Oh, it's called feature.
Yeah, that's your feature. Okay, continue.
Ah, great. Yes, it's all in one line now. Yeah, good. That's a good refactoring.
And then remove 11 to 15. Why can't keep it commented? I just don't like this.
Oh yeah, I'll just remove it in a moment. I'm just going to run the test first, and then delete it. Oh, I don't like terminal anymore. I'm so used to using shell inside of uh, Emacs. Oh, I broke something. What did I do?
Alright, good.
Let's find out. What are you doing? Oh, please don't take my keyboard when you're navigating. It gets really confusing.
What?
Name colon feature unexpected. Close parens there. What did we do? What Ruby version are we in? We know what Ruby version we're running, don't we? Yeah, we need to set the gem set again.
I wonder why you do that. I mean, what's the problem with having just a global namespace? A global, a global gem set.
It means I can't delete the gem sets when I'm finished with gems when I'm finished with them. And there's not
Okay.
much disk space on this machine.
Okay, that's good.
But when I upgrade local support, I can just delete all the old gems.
Okay, so now I see the problem. It's that stupid thing. I get more. Then can you open up Emacs?
Yeah.
Yeah. So the problem here is this. It's pretty stupid, but okay now.
Oh, yeah. It doesn't like that space, does it?
No, now it will work.
Mm-hmm.
Gonna fail. Good.
Right, we meant to go change the view now.
No. Oh yes, we need to change the view. It's in the layouts. I've got a header.
Header.
Yeah. Now, if you scroll down line number 20, 20, 20.
Mm-hmm.
It's on line number
Right.
20.
Feature active volunteer ops, when we would call it
List.
volunteer ops list.
Yeah, and just open
Class.
up. Yeah, that's it. That's it.
Oh, and this is about, what does active if mean? What method is that?
What?
That didn't help us.
But I
Oh, in
mean,
the class.
no,
Active
never
if.
mind. Never mind. This thing is wrong actually. Just pull 21 to 23 out of that if block
Mm-hmm.
because we are covering the volunteer ops list. We are covering organizations inside volunteer ops list. So that isn't what we want.
No.
So just pull that out
Yes,
of
it
there.
is. We do. We want to hide both buttons because there are no buttons if the feature is not
Okay,
active.
yeah,
There's only two
right. I
buttons. So
forgot that. Yeah.
now,
So
what's the class for?
no, that's perfectly all right. That's not that's what that does is like you remember that nice effect we have like when you click on a button, then it gets grayed out and then deepened.
Ah, so it's saying
Yeah, and then
what page
yeah,
you're on. Yes.
yeah, that's the
Yeah,
controller.
that's nice. Good. Okay, so that should pass the test.
Yeah, just yeah, you can just do the test. Like at this moment, what I usually do is like I just fix the create. I would fix the create volunteer like the create page as well, so I wouldn't have to
Mhm.
waste more time.
Yeah. All right, I will do that now.
I would do that and then
Yeah. Need to fix this feature so it runs. Um, volunteer ops create. Give it
yeah,
this
that all is
name.
done. That's all right. Just remove that. 20
Yeah,
to
we just
22.
need 20 to 20.
And then 21 to
Yes.
25.
Oh, go on. 21 to 20. Oh, that's the one that repeats. Yes. Yeah. Because that will fail now. Yeah.
Yeah, so that's what we want, and now you can run the test.
Oh, it's not exactly like it's got Emacs key bindings, but it's not exactly like Emacs. And while that's running, I'll fix it. This view is in the it's in the volunteer ops, and it's the
No,
index.
it's not there.
No,
It's not there.
it's
It's
not in the
not there. It's in the
it's in the
organization.
organization.
So yeah,
Organizations, and it's the show. I think it's in the
yes.
show. It's the volunteer. Oh, what happened? It was
Yeah, I
volunteer.
pressed page down by mistake.
All right, I just use Control S to search for a string. So if can create volunteer off and feature active, and this becomes feature active volunteer ops, create,
Done.
and I think we're done. Yep. I won't save it because I'll just check that the test is run and failed. It has. Save it.
Can you just
Run the test. There's keystrokes coming through to my screen. Oh no, I don't know if it's keystrokes or just the terminal settings have gone weird. But those passed. Let's run the whole of Cucumber then. And oh yeah, let's time it again. Trouble. That's running. Let's write a commit message while we're here then. Oh, oh, is his Vim's left a swap file? That'll go away when Vim closes down. Unpushed commits. Oh yes, of course it's not pushed to my origin because they came from you. That's fine. So we changed the header and we changed the show page. Yeah. Tag. Oh. No, it crashed. What? The first time Emacs has crashed for me in, I don't know, 10 years? 15 years? That I remember anyway.
Vim has the history of never crashing in 5 years. That's 4 years for me, I think. So
Yeah. I wonder what I did to make it crash. Wow.
well, I think you must have pressed Control C while it was loading, maybe.
Yeah, I must have hit something strange anyway. But it could be the Git integration was a bit ropey. Okay, so we want to stage that. Stage show volunteer up steps. yes, we refactored the steps, so if we don't stage them all, it won't work. Look at the diff, and I will change my terminal to right. So yeah, we changed the name of the flag. We simplified the features.
There's pretty weird colors.
Oh, they're really quite wacky here. I've got nice themes on my desktop Emacs, but not on here yet. Right. Right. Commit. Right. There's split vol op feature flag into
No.
create.
I don't do that. Don't do that.
No.
No, I've already made commits for that. So why would you want to do that again? 48, 49.
Separate the volunteer into different feature files for the different type. Ah, okay. So these changes. Let's read the diff again then.
I think the only thing you need to write is like uh, reducing duplicate steps and having different volunteer flag names for the different features.
Yes. That's all I need, I think. Right, and push all of that. It crashed, it failed, hung up. That's wrong. Let's try again. It passed, yes. If I go in through teammate, I don't get my key. And actually, it makes me wonder how I can steal the key when I can't actually use it myself. It could probably be done if you know what you're doing. Right. Are you switching through the? Let's see if I can get Sam Pretty. Oh, Sam Pretty. The other Sam. Tansaku. Nobody calls you Sam, do they, Sam Pretty? If we run the specs, do you want to just run the specs there, Sam Pretty? I only changed tiny things in the views, but let's run the specs. What's happening? Sound pretty? What's happening? I think your audio's gone. Maybe I muted you by mistake. Can you hear me? Yeah, my audio's working. That's weird. What we will have is joined onto the admin navbar. We'll have a navbar for the regular users. But yeah, when I come back after lunch, I'll have a look and see if make sure that it merges into develop. Doesn't tell me if it automatically merges or not, which annoys me.
Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Yes, so this what do you say? The Google Hangouts plugin crashed for me, so I had to reload.
All right. All right. I was just going to. I saw you were scrolling through the windows there and reading the navbar feature. Is there anything that we need to look at in there?
Yeah, this needs to be added.
Oh yeah.
What?
You don't want the word that in there, I don't think.
Uh,
I can't recall that definition now.
that's bad. There you go. So that works. Now the specs will be failing now.
It's really laggy for you, isn't it?
No, it's all right. I pressed the control C a couple of times, so that is normal. Failures. Wow. Good. Okay, let's go by through them one by one. Okay, good. So that should be Vim spec layouts.
So what fail is this?
Because we didn't fix our changes in the specs, like the name changes, so
Oh,
We need
gotcha.
to change those. So this is what needs to be changed.
Yeah.
List. There you go. That's fixed. Then other than that,
Oh, it's
we'll
this helper. So,
go on.
do we need this helper?
Feature active.
Yeah. Why
Yeah,
don't we
because
just?
I mean I don't like the concept of directly accessing the models from the HTML. I would more prefer it to be hidden inside a helper method, because like
Yeah.
accessing the model from the HTML doesn't look too good.
Mm-hmm.
So I just that is why I have extra method there.
Mm. I think the thing is we got extra indirection, but we don't actually gain any more changeability. We don't
Huh?
we don't make the app any more flexible by having that. I don't think.
No, we don't.
So it just if it looks bad and it's right, why can't we have it?
I mean, it's right, but it does like it looks bad, so that's why I wanted. No, well, so like, what is your question again? Say that.
Well, you're saying uh, it looks bad, but if that's the only reason not to have it, um, uh, then I think we should have it directly in
Oh,
the HTML in the ERB.
yeah. Okay. We could do that. Yeah. So let's yeah, I'll have a look at that. Let me just fix the specs and then we can look at that.
Mm-hmm.
This isn't even required. Or is it? No. Spec. Hello.
Yeah.
Yeah, I guess the spec should pass now, and then we can have a look at the other thing, the helper method, and see how much that helps us and how much that doesn't. Like even yeah, even though they are just it's just used in one place, two places throughout the app. So you have an argument there. Oh, okay, open the wrong one. Yeah, so I think this should be it, and then we should be finished for code review then. If you're still there.
I'm still here. Yeah, let's commit that then.
Yeah. Okay.
We're, if you can use the author tag, and then you'll get credit for it. Otherwise, it won't show up. It'll show up as my commit.
Okay, I'll do that.
Yeah, just do -- author equals when you commit. Don't do that.
Why?
Oh, you committed it by mistake. I see. Sorry.
No, I
What
didn't
was
commit
doing
it.
that?
I didn't
Yeah,
commit it. I didn't.
you staged it. Yes. Oh, why don't you just use the author tag on the commit message?
Okay. Yeah, I'll just do this now, and then you can just revert
Yeah,
it
I
back.
could
All
just
right.
put it back afterwards. Yes.
There you go.
Oh, okay, good. Yeah. I'll take that then. Oh, you've got it already. Sorry, where did you get that from?
I copied it from the log.
Yeah, I think our voice is lagging a bit,
Yeah, I
and
guess so.
it is over 10,000 miles.
No, that's not the thing. It's that I Google Hangouts automatically put me on mute. So,
Yeah.
well, that's yeah, that's it's still 10,000 miles.
Right, right, right. Oh, here we are. Just, yeah.
Okay, so
Right. It won't work. It might work. It worked.
okay, so
Uh, Now we can do something like AG. Okay, continue.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Just look at the. Oh.
Okay.
Should we make a branch for this one, just or leave it for this discussion then?
Yeah, just leave it for discussion. I mean, we can
Yeah.
you can just put up a point in the issues. I mean, under the pull request,
Mm.
and then we can discuss about it later. Although I'll have to leave now, so
Oh. Okay. Right.
yeah. I guess we've gotten the thing ready for another review now, so that's why.
All right. Don't forget to shut down your own
Yeah.
teammate. I thought I'd remind you since I forgot the other day.
The the
Good. That's done.
Okay, sorry. I was trying to disconnect and then I closed the session. So
No, you'll just close my session now. Ha. Never mind. Yeah. That's worked. All right. See you later.
yeah.
You can hang up the Hangouts if you want. Right. What was I going to do?
I'll just leave.
Yes. Okay. So just delete that. additional helper. So what's failing? Oh, that should be failing now. Ah, it's not going to fail yet because I've stubbed it. So we weren't testing the integration really, but I think we've hopefully we've not um, broken anything, because hopefully one of these cucumber tests will catch it. Yeah. Got volunteer ops 5. Oh, we've broken something else. Um, Yeah, I know that's passing. So, what is failing? It's the nav bar should have a link to link volunteers and organisations. That works right. Even though this view helper thing is deleted. I didn't save it. Let's run it again. This. Ooh, 15 seconds to run through it again. Please fail. Yes. Undefined method feature active. So if I just put that functionality in explicitly into the view, application controller at view. To the header, where's the header gone? Oh, this is a spec. But here we'll want to stub and this will be simpler. It would just be feature. Feature stub active. So that is shorter, which I like. No, we've got too many expectations in there. View should receive. Yeah. Feature. Should receive active. Let's get these tests failing. Let's run that thing. And the whole thing is blown up because undefined method feature active at what line? That's right. The whole thing is blown up for the same reason that Cucumber blew up. And I guess I could fake it, but temporarily just to demonstrate. View stub feature. and return true. This way we'll fail some of the tests, but fail for a more interesting reason. And here we just fail a couple of times. It hides it when it's inactive, so the feature flag doesn't turn stuff off. And it should receive active. So that expectation failed, although that's just I could feature stub active is good enough because we got two expectations to say not working. Still failing, but this time we're failing because no, we're doing the same here. I've misread it, that's the one. 214. I'm saying it. So we have tested that. Don't forget to change that back, David. Got one failure. And so that failed. This is passed. So if I return false to switch it off, and I know I'm a bit too detailed to and I just check using the I'm not sure if I can get it by test doubles. No, that's not constant. Stub it away. Allowing messages. Okay. That's very uh, bit of a pain. I'm not sure if this one will cover that, so it doesn't work. So, the old syntax. 2.14.3. Stop. Stop. Message with. So that was right. Right, that fails. Sorry, that one passes. So if I set, if it returns false, it should switch off. Is the problem is, of course, this thing is send is returning true, so only the disabled one should fail. Yeah, and sure enough, the disabled one fails. Just flick this switch. And now it's the active one that fails. That one there. Right. So take away this fake switch. So we've still got working tests, and they don't mind that this stubs it rather than makes it active. I can just stick. And I can go to everything pass. Yes, I will need that to make the other tests pass. Application. It's in the header partial. And instead of if feature active, and I've only got it once. So if we're only calling it once, we might as well just have it once. Let's run this test. Let's run all the specs. Ah, I'm using it somewhere else. I'm using it in the organization show page. That's a step forward. Come in.